Hello, friend. Welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Uh, in our previous section, we have to complete it. Actually, this is the tooltip section. We have to work here. This is our instructor name, also as well as the course title, and also this is the highest rated, updated, and lots of things actually, and as well as it will be the dynamic. Okay. So now here I should looking for this is our here is some data. So this data actually the course goal. We remember for that when we make a course, we make some course goal. Actually, if I just do the data, go to the database, and this is our database. Here is the LMS YouTube. Here this is the course, and this is the course. Here this also we create the course goal. You will be understand just for the different tab I will open, and here this is the field is a course id. Actually course id is the primary key of this course goals table, and also to the goal name. And course id, actually this is the course id. Actually here for this id comes from the course, and here this is two course I have to insert at this yet. So here is 2 and 7, and also you can see this all data comes from the 2 or 7. And this data now, this is the time to show this data into the front end. And where is show? Initially show is here. So okay, we will try and how to manage this. Before manage this, we just need to go to our VS Code and make some appropriate action. Now here is some our VS Code. Better just remove some course.php. It will be needed, so, but go to the frontend dashboard controller, and here this is our course category, and this is a course.user, but we need to course goal. So course goal, it will be involved our you will already see that it will be joined by this our course id. So go to with the category, so better with course. Okay, so go to our course.php, and here first of all we need to make a relationship, and definitely it's one to many relationship. Okay. But just paste and keep. This is not user actually. Here this is the goal, and it's the class will be course, definitely course goal, and it's not to belongs to, just keep has many. Okay, has many, fine. And here is also notified but don't need it here. Course goal, and not in a structure id, it will be the course id. It will be the course id and also id. That's fine, perfect. And how to do this now? This is a course.user, and another we just make the same thing, course dot goal. Okay. But one things I just changed my name convention. It will be appropriate course goal. I just kept just not a goal, actually just replace of course goal. And also obviously here is the change of goal, not cours, course underscore. It's perfect. And here we just initially written, and you will look some the data of course goal. Okay. So now go to our browser. Okay, and just this is our browser, and just keep reload. And here, friend, you will see that there's a lots of data about the course. So better just minimize it. And oh no, what's this? That's okay, no problem. It's a lots of course here. Course, and here look at this is the course goal, okay, and this course goal is comes from this specific, and another is another courses because we have inserted two course recent times, so here and also show the course goal, and now this course goal will be show into our tooltip. So now go to VS Code and just remove and go to tooltip.play.php, and where is course goal is showing. Actually here this is a static 23 total hours we have worked by later 23 to total hours. Actually how many hours to the course will define the last, but here is the label. Let's just change it. Here all label, not all label, just put course tends to. That's one of the thing is perfect. And here just also the title will be the dynamic, but where the title, so now the course underscore title. Okay, done. And all of the list will be static. I just remove uh, only one class. It is better just remove. Okay, okay, and it will be here and just here, just put in here, and just that's my bad, remove here. Okay, and come from the forest, and this is our forest, and also coming from the course. Actually you already knows that this is a course, and course come to dollar course and main course goal, course underscore goal, course goal. This is the array. As dollar goal, and here so better I just only slice. Actually use a slice would be better. Slice means just certain amount of data will be showing here. Actually five data, five course goal already actually shows in here, and how this data will be show, and this like literally this list, so better some space for the better understanding. For that there is a info. This looks simple, and this is the slice. So five data will be shown in here. If you input a 10 course goal, but only individually five goal will be shown in here. That's it. And here just put dollar goal, and this is the field name goal name. I hope it's work, and check for the VS Code. Just keep reload. This is in here, and just look at this. This is the five data will be shown. Step by step, Laravel 11 mastery, build a complete LMS from scratch and unlock professional development skill. And this same data will be shown in the course title. Yeah, I will show you, and step by step Laravel 11 is very attractive and informative. It's a real world project, friend. If you just completely follow this, yeah, I promise you have learned a lot. Please, humble request to maintain the sequence of the playlist. You will everything you will be understanding. If or if you have any query, please comment below, and I will put your answer as much as possible for this time. So here, this is the five goals, and five goals will be, look at this is the sixth goal. Here the cart and e-commerce feature and not will be showing here, and multi-authentication administrator instructor will be finished, and this is here. And also I we have to insert another course. This is the business, and this business is completely different, and all data is perfectly showing dynamic because of the three. You can check this, go to all courses, and here you see that here is a 3. No, that's my bad. You just comes from the edit, and just look this, there is a 3 data. Okay, so that's why in this 3. Okay, now a lot of things. Look at this 23 total hours. Actually, is depend on how many lecture the instructor has been included, and you have already knows. Which comes from the where comes from the lecture. Actually, this is the lecture places. In later we have a lot of data inside according to the section title, but at this moment we just for two data insert the course lecture, and already and also and graph how the length of this tutorial, and this is the data will be showing here 23 total hours, and lecture hours actually count in here. So now before that, go to our devexplorers.xyz. This is our actually, just also just check it, and here just go to our courses. So better just here, when this is the course details, okay, this is the different page of course details, and lot of things here we have to implement. So better in the next video I will cover the course details mechanism, and is and everything. Here is a lot of data, but don't worry, step by step I will show you all of this necessary things. So don't hesitate. I just cover everything. Actually, it's a real world project, and you have learned a real world application. And this coding format pattern I also focused for industry patterns. So okay, see for the next video, and humble request, if you are a beginner, so please subscribe of this channel, and your inspiration to make a motivation for making new video. So thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.